Everyone knows who Isaac Newton is, the man who discovered gravity. But have you ever heard of Gottfried Leibniz?
Apart from giving his name to a biscuit, Leibniz was a German mathematician, scientist, engineer, diplomat, linguist, and philosopher who lived in the late 17th and early 18th centuries.
Leibniz made important contributions to the field of physics. He came up with an idea called the principle of least action, which is kind of like a shortcut that objects take when they move from one place to another. Imagine you're at a playground and you want to get from the slide to the swing. Instead of walking all the way around the playground, you might find a shortcut that uses less energy, like jumping over the monkey bars or climbing up the ladder. That's kind of what the principle of least action is all about.
On top of that, the incredible German mathematician made contributions in the development of everyday objects such as calculators and even the very computer you may be watching this video on. He was influential in developing binary, the system of numbers that modern computers use, which only consist of ones and zeros.
Leibniz was also the first person to develop a machine that could perform all four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In his finished design, his calculating machine, which looked like this, could process sums with figures of up to 16 digits.
Bear in mind, this was in the 1600s when everyone still thought witches ran around casting spells.
Leibniz is also credited as one of the first people to discover calculus, the very important field of maths which deals with how things change. It's the one that looks like this and makes you sound really smart.
And sometimes makes A-level students wonder why they picked further maths.
However, Leibniz spent many years in a dispute with Newton over whether or not he plagiarized Newton's work in calculus. By the time Leibniz died in 1716, his reputation had been shattered by accusations that he plagiarized Newton's calculus. Nowadays, we believe that both Newton and Leibniz developed calculus independently, but that didn't stop Leibniz's life's work from being discredited for centuries to come.